Exercise. Attempt all the questions. Make a sketch diagram or drawing of the given information where necessary. Question 1. Use the figure below to calculate theta and phi. Hence, find the size of PQR, that's angle PQR, to the nearest degree. And that is the diagram representing the information from where you will find the value of theta and phi. Question number 2. In the figure below, M is the midpoint of SZ. A. Calculate MZ, the length of MZ. B. Hence write the value of the length of SZ and calculate theta. Here is the diagram. Triangle SZY, and you can see M as the midpoint. From S to M and M to Z, they are equal, indicated by the arc. This angle is theta, this is 32 degrees, and this is 6 centimeters. Question number 3. In the diagram below, the last segment LK is perpendicular to the last segment MN. Calculate the sine of the angle MNL. You can see the diagram representing the information from where you will find the value of sine MNL. Question 4. In the figure, calculate A, angle B, B, the length of AC. You can see this is a right angle, or it's a 90 degrees, an angle of 90 degrees, and then you have AB 3 centimeters and BD as 18 centimeters. You are required to find this angle B, and of course find the height of the triangle AC. Question number 5. A ladder 20 meters long rests against a vertical wall so that the foot of the ladder is 9 meters from the wall. A. Find, correct to the nearest degree, the angle that the ladder makes with the wall. B. Find, correct to 1 decimal place, the height above the ground at which the upper end of the ladder touches the wall. Question number 6. The sides of a triangle are in the ratio 4 to 4 to 3. A. What kind of triangle is it? B. Calculate the smallest angle of the triangle to the nearest degree. Question number 7. From the top of a cliff, the angle of depression of a boat on the sea is 22 degrees. If the height of the cliff above sea level is 40 meters, calculate, correct to 2 significant figures, the horizontal distance of the boat from the bottom of the cliff. Question 8. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the horizontal ground 40 meters away from the foot of the tower is 30 degrees. Calculate the height of the tower to 2 significant figures. Question 9. The bearing of a point Q from a point P is 48 degrees. Find the bearing of P from Q. Question 10. From a point P, R is 8 kilometers due east and 8 kilometers due south. Find the bearing of P from R. Question number 11. A ball walks 1,260 meters on a bearing of 120 degrees. How far south is he from his starting point? Question 12. Q is 1.4 kilometers from P on a bearing 0 to 3 degrees. R is 4.4 kilometers from P on a bearing 113 degrees. Make a sketch of the positions of P, Q, and R, and hence calculate the length of QR. Correct the 3 significant figures. Question 13. If the diagonal of a square is 8 centimeters, what is the area of the square? Question 14. A chord 30 centimeters long is 20 centimeters from the center of a circle. Calculate the length of a chord, which is 24 centimeters from the center. Question number 15. A chord is drawn 3 centimeters away from the center of a circle of radius 5 centimeters. Calculate the length of the chord. These are the solutions or the answers to the exercise which I gave to you. Question number 1, theta 41.99 degrees, phi 66.5 degrees, angle PQRO 108 degrees. In question number 2, A is 3.75 cm, B is 7.5 cm, Y theta is 19.3 degrees. Number 3, 1/3 and 70 degrees, which translates to 0.3132 from your calculator or your 4-figure table. Question number 4, A, angle B is 80.4 degrees and B is 2.96 centimeters. Question number 5, A is 27 degrees, B is 17.9 meters. Number 6, the triangle is isosceles, that's A, and B is 44 degrees. Number 7, 99 meters. Number 8, 23 meters. Number 9, 228 degrees. Number 10, 315 degrees. Number 11, 630 meters. In question number 12, you are required to find or sketch the diagram, and that is the diagram. Eventually, you discover that angle P here is 90 degrees. And by the use of Pythagoras theorem, you can find the value of QR. Number 13 is 32 centimeters square, and number 14, 14 centimeters. Number 15 is centimeters.